Okay, here's a level 6 type question. We have a shape and we have a dilatation. We're being asked to dilatate the shape about the origin. Okay, so you're stretching it away from the origin or shrinking it towards the origin, as the case may be. Okay, the k factor here is negative 12 over 3. Now 12 divided by 3 is 4, so this is negative 4. Okay, k factor is negative 4. Now a dilatation is always described by the point that you are stretching away from or shrinking towards, the point of similarity it's called, and the k factor, or ratio of similarity. It's how big we're stretching the shape or how small we're shrinking it. Okay? And the way we do a dilatation is we multiply the x and y coordinates by this k factor. Okay, in this case, our k factor, negative 12 divided by 3, is negative 4. Okay, so our x and our y are being multiplied by negative 4. Now, a is 1, negative 1. So we're going to multiply the 1 by negative 4 and the negative 1 by negative 4. And that gives me negative 4, 4. Okay, let me plot that point. Okay, and it was negative 4, 4. So I can drag this towards negative 4, 4, which is right about there. Okay, and notice the shape is 4 times the size. Let's look at the other points. Now B is 2, 3. And so B prime is going to be 2 times negative 4 and 3 times negative 4, which is negative 8, negative 12. And see our B prime, negative 8, negative 12 as predicted. And the C is, where's the C right here? Negative 2, 0. So our C prime is going to be negative 2 times negative 4 and 0 times negative 4, which gives us positive 8 and 0. Okay, and where's our C? Positive 8 and 0 right here. Okay, let's go on to another question. Okay, here our dilatation is about the origin with a k factor of negative 11 thirds, and that one doesn't reduce. So we're going to multiply all of our coordinates by negative 11 and 3. Okay, so once again, our k factor is multiplying the x and y's. So our k factor is negative 11 over 3. So all the coordinates, all the x and y's are getting multiplied by negative 11 over 3. For example, if a is negative 3, 3, then a prime is going to be negative 3 times negative 11 over 3. And negative, same thing, right? So negative 3 times negative 11 over 3. And what happens is the 3's are going to cancel. We're going to have two negatives make positives. So we're going to have positive 11 and positive 11. Okay. Let me just plot that. So 11, 11, hello, plot away. So 11, 11, like that. And then we're going to do the other points. So the B is 3, 3. So B prime is 3 times negative 11 over 3. 3 times negative 11 over 3. So we have positives times negatives. That makes negative. Okay? So they're both going to be negative. The 3's cancel, and we get negative 11. And here we get the 3's cancel, we get negative 11. So negative 11, negative 11. And then for C, we have 3, negative 3. And we have our k factor of negative 11 over 3. So we're going to multiply those. So the 3's cancel, we get negative 11, negative 11. And that's our final answer. Have a good night. Wait a minute, that's not our final answer. Let's plot those points. Sorry about that. We're going to plot the B prime point at negative 11, negative 11. So negative 11 is down here. And then let's plot the C point at negative 11, positive 11, up here. Okay. So that would be more like a level 2 type of dilatation. Now the level 6 type of dilatation, let me just erase all this, is I would click on the shape and then start, hello. Press the dilatation button and then start dragging it up the shape, start dragging it towards